Well, the nightmare continues in Los Angeles County, where neighborhoods are unrecognizable after deadly wildfires tore through. The number of people killed in the wildfires is now up to 27, 17 from the Eaton fire in Altadena, 10 from the Palisades fire. Authorities expect to find more victims as they search through burned out homes. There are 31 active missing person cases. Meantime, firefighters expect favorable weather conditions this weekend, and that will help them make some major gains. The Palisades fire is still at more than 23,000 acres in size. Containment at 31% now. Containment on the 14,000-acre Eaton fire went from 55% to 65% overnight. And coming up in 30 minutes, I should say, we'll check in with a reporter live in LA with the latest on the Palisades fire.